Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM6. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM6 won't turn on, it's likely due to a faulty cable. This issue can arise from wear and tear or accidental damage. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications or even complete device failure, leaving you without your trusted kitchen companion. To tackle this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement cable specifically designed for the Thermomix TM6, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Begin by carefully removing the base of the Thermomix. Use a screwdriver to gently unscrew the screws located at the bottom of the appliance. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place. Once the base is off, locate the faulty cable. This is typically found connected to the power supply unit. Gently disconnect it using your tweezers, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. Now, take the replacement cable and connect it to the same port where the old one was attached. Make sure it fits snugly. As you do this, be cautious to avoid pulling on any nearby wires. After securing the new cable, replace the base of the Thermomix, ensuring that all screws are tightened properly. Apply just enough force to secure the base without over-tightening, which could strip the screws. Once everything is back in place, plug in the Thermomix and switch it on. You should see the device powering up as normal. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the condition of your cables and avoid yanking them when unplugging. Additionally, ensure your Thermomix is stored in a safe place where it won't be at risk of damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.